speaking Bisaya, Tagalog, different dialect here in Philippines. You Cebu. Yes, I'm living in Cebu. When I was my high school. But I am from Dumaguete City, Dumaguete City. So it's Visaya. Cebu, Dumaguete, Davao, it's Visaya dialect. Please, please, please. Please forgive me. Maybe Mr. Zelensky, you have a Filipino wife or you have a girlfriend. Okay, different dialect. Yes. I like Toledo City. Oh, I'm living near Toledo City before in Balamban. Maybe you know Balamban. Balamban. Balamban it's not a city yet. Hindi, nothing. You know what? I the English people, if they speak Tagalog or Visaya, they're it's so cute to listen. I heard of it, yes. It's near. It's just like riding a jeep, like 25 minutes or 20 from Toledo to Balamban. It's a little near. Iswari, hello, near, look, madam. Okay, I'm already near the camera. You married? No, I'm single. I'm single. I'm ready to mingle anytime. Kalidas, hello. Ah, oh my goodness. I'm single. I'm not married. Single mom. Yeah, single. Single mom. I have one daughter. Single dad. How about you? Are you single? Are you double? Triple. I like that. You're triple. Oh, very nice. Oh, you're single? How old are you? Oh, antok na yan. Antok talaga ako. Antok na ako. Oh, you're so young. You're 32 only. Not cover. Okay, what you wanna see? I'm covering because I feel it's cold. Why you older? Yes, I'm already 51 years old.